Hello and welcome back to another edition of the Laughing Place Video News Update. I'm Becca Burbank, here to bring you the latest Disney parks, movies, and TV news for August 26, 2020. First up this week, with Mulan coming to Disney Plus via Premier Access in just a few days, a special preview of the film is now showing to guests at Disney's Hollywood Studios. The sneak peek can be found in the Walt Disney Presents attraction, which also now houses costumes used in the film's production. Of course, like other theater-based attractions at Walt Disney World right now, this one is also set up to allow for social distancing, with many seats marked as unavailable to allow for distance between parties. Speaking of distance, you can enjoy Disney's Mulan in the comfort of your own home with a Disney Plus subscription and Premier Access starting September 4th. Over at the Disneyland Resort, while there's no word on when the theme parks may reopen their gates, work is continuing on some key projects. Most notably, this includes Avengers Campus at Disney California Adventure, where this week the Avengers Quinjet arrived on site. Disney Parks, Experience, and Products Chairman Josh D'Amaro shared photos on his Instagram account showing off the aircraft. Meanwhile, it seems that the park is also preparing the new area's debut by seeking superheroes to appear in the land. Currently, the Disney Auditions website notes that they're casting for Black Panther and Captain America stunt performers, as well as an actor to portray General Okoye. While Avengers Campus was initially supposed to open on July 18th, obviously that didn't happen as Disneyland and Disney California Adventure remained closed. Currently, no new target date has been revealed, but it's nice to see the team assembling in the meantime. Although this year's Star Wars celebration was cancelled, fans of the saga will still have plenty to be excited about, as Hasbro and LEGO both revealed new products coming soon. First, in one of their Fan First Friday livestream events, Hasbro unveiled some new and upcoming Star Wars action figures, playsets, and one full-scale lightsaber. Among these many items is a 3 3/4-inch Hondo Anaka that's part of the Vintage Collection line and comes complete with a Galaxy's Edge-inspired card back. This figure is also included in the Target-exclusive Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Millennium Falcon vehicle, which can be swapped between Original Trilogy and Smuggler's Run versions. Elsewhere, the Hasbro Pulse team also revealed a new Vintage Collection Tantive 4 playset inspired by the first ship to ever appear in a Star Wars movie. With these playsets, builders can recreate the ships always. But the biggest announcement came in the form of a new Celebrate the Saga collection, which compiles 8 different sets of kid-focused figures depicting classic characters across a variety of factions: the Rebel Alliance, the Resistance, the First Order, the Jedi Order, the Galactic Republic, the Empire, Bounty Hunters, and the Sith. Of course, you'll need to let us know in the comments if Kylo Ren belongs in the Sith collection or not. As for LEGO, they've announced a Bespin Duel set, which will allow fans the opportunity to recreate the iconic scene from The Empire Strikes Back. The 295-piece set will be a Target exclusive, arriving in stores tomorrow, August 27th, and retailing for $39.99. Believe it or not, 20th Century's long-delayed The New Mutants is finally hitting theaters this week. And now the film has just added a unique venue to its list of available screens. Starting Thursday and running through September 13th, The New Mutants will be screening at a day and night drive-in theater that's been set up in the parking lot of the iconic Rose Bowl Stadium in Pasadena, California. Admission is a flat rate of $35 per car, and tickets can be purchased online. As for those in the rest of the country, check your local listings to see what theaters in your area are open and screening The New Mutants starting August 28th. This fall, audiences will discover the true story behind NASA's Mercury 7 team of astronauts as The Right Stuff comes to Disney+. Now, National Geographic has released the official trailer for the original series. Additionally, the streaming service has announced the show will kick off with a special 2-episode premiere on October 9th, with the remaining 6 episodes debuting weekly on Fridays. For more updates on The Right Stuff and everything else Disney+, be sure to check out laughingplace.com. Finally this week, ABC has confirmed that while the audition and production process for the next season of American Idol may be a bit different, the judges and hosts will remain the same. That's right, Katy Perry, Lionel Richie, and Luke Bryan have signed on to return as judges for the competition, while the man of many jobs, Ryan Seacrest, will continue to host the program. Currently, no premiere date for the show's 4th ABC season has been announced, but its Idol Across America virtual audition tour is already underway. And that will do it for this week's Laughing Place Video News Update. For more on the latest news from around the Walt Disney Company, Be sure to visit laughingplace.com and subscribe to our channel right here on YouTube. Until next time, bye-bye!